Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, June 17th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, I wanted to start off on the daily time frame on this because we have been drifting up. We have made an engulfing move to the upside. Definitely confirms some sort of a move up. The fact that this is higher, low, and this is all very, very overlapping makes me think that this is either a wave A or one, and that maybe this is not even the wave C I thought it was, but we're actually either in a wave B or wave two. I got my Fibonacci retracement out here to keep an eye out for like the 61 to the 78%, just in case it does decide to go down for a wave C or a wave 3 possibly. So anyways, going down to the 1 hour time frame, now we get that break on the daily, what's happened actually a couple days ago. We potentially could have been looking for longs over the last couple of days. I definitely would still be looking for longs, but I wouldn't be trying to go long right now at the top of a move. I would be looking to go long at the end of these pullbacks that I see on these sort of time frames. Look for nice retracements, nice Fibonacci bounces, nice engulfing moves to the upside for the continuation of the uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.